Good evening and welcome to today's Thundering Thursday. So, this week we're taking a look at the new version of an old friend, the Island Assault starter for bolt action, featuring the new Japanese Infantry. So, let's get the wrapper off and have a closer look. And welcome back. So, let's have a close look. Excuse me. As usual with the new bolt action sets, we get dice bag, a bag of dice with 4 order dice for each army. Then we get a Chiha tank. Yeah, a Chiha. And obviously the pin markers. And thank you, Morella. So, yes. American M3 Halftrack, I believe. And of course, bases. And rulebook. And more bases. So, the new Japanese comes in a double sprue. So, 2 sprues of the new Japanese. And, oh no, that's actually the American sprue. So the American Marine sprue, which I believe is currently the oldest sprue Warlord currently sending out in box sets. The Marines, yeah, 2013 the date, with the American weapon sprue being 2012. Then we get the new Japanese with their supplementary sprue as well, so we'll have a look at that in a moment. More bases. And obviously the counters, etc. And something new that Warlord have been putting in with the new the redo starters, such as the Gentleman's War. Warlord and Skytrex are now doing their own range of buildings. So this is jungle building ruin, so suitable for anywhere in the Far East. And of course the double-sided playmat. One side is plain, the other side has a road. So, and then of course Japanese flags and devotionals, destructions, more destructions, and download sheet. So, what we're waiting for is the new Japanese. So, you can see we get standard 6 poses: running, walking, bracing and kneeling. So we get the NCO or officers' swords. I won't call them katana because technically they weren't at this point. They were quite mass produced. Number of rifles, the machine gun or submachine gun. Not that familiar. Yeah, that would be the submachine gun. We get 2 machine guns, one being carried, one being fired with a sling. More rifles, 2 knee mortars, which is wonderful because the Japanese still get their grenadier squads. fact, it looks like 2 right arms. So we get an ammunition box, various bags, grenade, ammunition, rifle. Then we get arms for the MMG, more belt kit, plenty more belt kit, and then just camouflage pieces, a couple of camouflaged helmets and bags, then lots more belt kit, and part for the Japanese lunge mine. So let's have a look at the other sprue. So we get the obvious one is the new MMG. So this is the first time a support weapon has been included on the sprues, which is a very interesting development. We'd like to see how that goes, and is the reason why in the starter army you get an artillery piece rather than medium machine gun and medium mortar. So we get plenty more helmets and headgear and heads under the helmets, and then we get another cape of camouflage, and then 2 parts to make, well, foxholes, etc. So wonderful. And then let's have a look at the Americans. So firstly, as I said, this is the older, or possibly the oldest sprue currently available in box sets anyway. So we've got, again, the standard 6, prone, kneeling, bracing, walking and running. But we have the shotgun, Thompson, BAR, carbine, Thompson rifle, Thompson, and then 3 rifles. We get, again, spare legs for the prone, an option, carbine backpack, belt kit and bipod for the BAR, another shotgun. And what made these interesting was the amount of empty hands you got. So we'll have a look at the reason for those in a moment. Then we have belt kit and, of course, an array of heads. So, and the reason for the empty hands was that these first generation of plastic sprues came with plastic weapon sprues. So plenty of rifles, carbines, get the bazooka and the pack for carrying bazooka rounds, as long as it's around. Another couple of rifles, BAR sniper rifle, a couple of Thompsons, grease gun, grenades and pistols. So, in my opinion, this is possibly one of the better starter sets on the market, but then that is just my opinion. So let's get this all packed back away, even though it's not in the same order that it came out in, but hey, I'm not telling anybody, assuming you won't. So thank you.